The main function of this pump is for draining water in cities. It may also be used in urban planning. When there is a downpour or extreme weather, we need some kind of flood prevention. Basically, the maximum flow of our whole series of products can reach up to 0.5 tons per second. Take this 12-inch caliber model for example. We can drain a standard swimming pool in about 2 hours. To lower the chance of blades getting stuck, we reduce the number of blades. However, if a pump has less blades by design, it will be harder to maintain efficiency. As for our design, our efficiency can still match that of competing products, even though the number of blades has been reduced. When we went to India, we found that the urban drainage system was not good enough, making flooding common over there. We must first use pumping equipment to alleviate the damage caused by flooding before an adequate draining system can be built. As the quality of life improves and GDP grows, the government has paid more attention to citizens' livelihoods. Flooding has been listed as one of the top priorities by the government, and they hope that we can help lay the foundation for an urban drainage system.